we have pulled up here on the daily chart is going to be Johnson and Johnson is what we're looking at here. So JNJ, one of those old school Dow stocks, not going to hurt you too bad in here. Always solid, very boring, but again, never going to hurt you too bad in here. What are we looking for trend wise? Well, a little bit of a cup right here starting to create over December into the new year. So a little handle here maybe being created, not quite sure. We do have to be aware of this 200 SMA and this 9-day EMA right here. So we're going to finally get a crossover after consolidation, or we're going to get that expansion running away from each other, because that's exactly what happened here back in November. You can see we got super, super tight and then just ran away. And that's when that cup started to finally or began to form. So fib retrace wise, what are we looking at in here? We have the fib on from August down here into December. Levels we're going to be looking at 147.16. That's going to be our max pain that we're looking for if it pulls back below that 9-day EMA. But really 151.34 is going to be our first support in here. Above that, we're going to be looking at 154.72 as our first resistance. And then above there is going to be that 158.1. But we have to be aware how much weight is this 200 SMA going to carry? What is going to happen here between the 9-day EMA and that 200 SMA? It's going to be interesting to see what happens, but really that 151.34 area, that 38.2 fib retrace, that's going to be the key level in there. And we have to kind of monitor our trend to see if this is actually a handle forming or not. Option chain wise, what are we looking at? Well, volatility in here is always low. So your IV ranks at 19. You got a $1.50 expected move by Friday on a $150 stock. So that should tell you a lot right there. But if we go out to our February monthlies, you have right around a $3.36 expected move in here. And it looks like there was actually some action here on the 155 calls. So their slippage isn't that bad, less than 20 cent wide markets in here. So you don't have to worry about slippage too much. And you had around 625 calls traded on that 155 strike in here today. So we'll see what happens with Johnson & Johnson. But again, the key levels we're going to be watching here, 151.34, 154.72, and that 147.16 for our main max pain. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.